So this is Ford Galaxy 2017 Titanium X diesel. I'm going to change or show you how to replace a cabin filter. So this is UK right hand model, and this is the button. If you have the button, you just push it, it comes here. And 1 second. Okay, so on the left side, if you see this, okay, from here it goes up or down. So just push a little up, it comes out from this hole. So once it does, then what you're gonna do, I'll show you. So once you've taken this out, so now these are the clips. You just push back a little. You need to use both hands, and this one is so it goes. Push all the way up so this can come down. So this is the location of filter. There's a clip, there's a 1 page and 1 second screw here. I've just taken this out, if you can see. So to open this, I bought once this from eBay. It came, I think, from China. Really handy. I think it was 2-3 quid at that time. So with that, I'll have opened it. So from here, this was a page. I have opened it before actually. So and this is a clip. Just press it, it will come like this. So this is the location of filter. You just take this out like this. Here. Then you can put neon back there. Put this one back. So this is, just push it in. The clip is closed. My one screw was broken. I don't know, some mechanic who done it before or someone broke it. Now with this one, you need to be careful. When you insert it in, maybe it can fall in here. If it does, I will show you what to do. So this is tight. Now you can push this back in here. Just push it in and it will go. And this one, where it's going. Oh, this actually went inside, so I think I need to pull it out. Yeah, you can pull this out, it came out, and put this back here in the hole. Okay, that's it. This is done. So what happened? So this is one screw, this is second. I use this to get this out. One, and then like this. And the screw was here. And when you're putting back, there is this one. This thing will go in here. This one inside here. So you need to be careful. So this is how you do it. Push it back, and there you go. 1, 2. That's it. All done. Thank you. and this is done.